Hi, I'm Pamela Calamanis. I teach at Hunter College and I teach English 220. And we had a meeting today and I was talking about how to use a video grading system. So I'm just going to demonstrate this to you. Right now I'm working on Matic, which is a program that we have access to. And when you go into the program, it pulls up this screen. And what I'm doing is I am doing both, where it says both here. So I am looking at my screen, and then my video is taking a video of me. So I wanted to show you that and just show you how you can use this in a very easy way. So this is some feedback that I gave to a student. And I have a rubric for the assignment and I give some comments here, but then I have the paper. So I'm not going to show you, I just made like an example of this. So here's the paper that the student wrote. So what you can do is you open the paper, you turn on this software, and you can kind of go through and just make your comments like, oh, this isn't formatted correctly, fix the formatting on that. And then you can say like whatever it is that you're looking for. In this case, it was a first draft, so I was looking for a response to literature that we read in class and some secondary sources that they found on their own. So you can kind of scroll down, and if there are like grammatical things that you want to point out to them or weird spacing, you might do that. And then you can kind of just sort of go through the whole paper and see what they're, doing, what he has to say. Here are his sources. So these are the sources from class, these two. And then he has some secondary sources. So that is a really great thing to do. So the student is watching you look at the paper. It's like you're sitting at the desk and you're commenting at the same time. And then I put all of that into the feedback. And when you're done, you go in and you save. And you can save it so that it is a link to a video that you can then copy and put into the comments as well. Or what I do is I email it to them. So I put it on YouTube sometimes if I want to give this kind of feedback where everybody can see the feedback that I'm giving. So it's just a really great tool. So I learned about Matic from the ACERT, and the ACERT at Hunter is just really great. They are just wonderful folks, and they have great resources. So I just wanted to show you this simple way to grade. So that's, like a 3-minute video. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck.